has been issued by the Anomaly Research Facility. Please stand by for further instructions. A civil emergency message has been issued by the Anomaly Research Facility. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. We have been informed about a recent panic that broke out in your county. This mass panic happened due to many people seeing the same person in their dreams. Here is the description that we had managed to make thanks to one of the witnesses. It's a male, possibly in his 40s. We are working with your local law enforcement in order to locate this man, though so far without luck. Please contact us if you have seen this man in your dreams or even anywhere. So far there have been 8,000 cases where someone saw this man in their dream. 800 of them are in your county. A lot of people described seeing him in very normal scenarios where they even had regular conversations with him. But there were also extremely bizarre and unexplainable encounters. Because of these encounters, people have been panicking. Please do not panic and disturb others. We are trying our best to understand this phenomenon. We are even speculating that this man is possibly not even real. However, if you do encounter him in your dreams, do not hesitate to call us, or even seek out professional help. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and try to have a nice evening.